Hey guys, this is Steve at Hencher's Hot Rods, and what we have for you today is an 86 Monte Carlo SS, which is here before us. We're going to go over the vehicle. As usual, we'll start out here in the front. As you can see here, paint on this car, very nice. Still has factory stripes whole way around here, the orange red stripes. We got our Monte Carlo SS aluminum wheels. White letter BFG radial TAs. We'll start with the gaps here between the fender and the hood. Very nice gap on this car. It's pretty much all original. Door, the fender, very nice body lines. Lined right up, as you can see, the door to quarter also right on the money there. Trim on this car, you got the blacked out trim the whole way around. That's how they came. It's very nice. Very nice condition right here at the top of the doors and so on. And you can see our glass. Very nice condition on this car. It's a beautiful car. It does have the body match mirrors, sport mirrors on both sides. What we're going to do is open up the driver's door and let you see inside the interior. Stock interior on this one, it is the gray. Very nice condition. This car has very low miles. It does have actual miles on it. Mileage on this car is a little over 43. And that is actually, you can see the dash on there is beautiful condition. Everything inside this car, the radio, the controls, the console, the carpet, the seats, beautiful condition. This is power windows and power locks. On the back, you will see here gaps on the trunk to the quarter, beautiful condition. And again, our glass, very nice shape. And the paint on this car still looks just great. Coming back, we still have the trunk mounted wing that came on the SS's. See here your back bumper fascia, very nice condition here. Decals all in very nice shape. And your tail light lenses, no cracking or pitting there, looks very nice. What we're going to do is we're going to open up the trunk, let you see the floor. As you can see here, our jams look very nice. Under the trunk lid, we still got our options decal here, Jack's decal, everything is very nice condition on here, and our weather stripping, very nice shape. Trunk does have the carpet. Here's our mats, got a spare tire, the jack is in here. We'll lift this up for you. You can see the floor under here, beautiful condition. Still all original flooring in this vehicle. Very nice shape under here. Again, with the theme of the car, it's in great condition. Moving on, again we're going to see our gaps, quarter panel trunk, very nice shape here. Decals again, the whole way on the side of the car, great condition on here. The paint, you can see on the roof, down the doors, still very nice, and the glass on this side also very, very nice condition here. Our gaps, door to quarter, again fender to door, very nice, and body lines lined right up. What we're going to do here, as the other side, we're going to open the passenger side door, let you see inside the interior, and you can see that interior is beautiful in this car. It speaks for itself. Not many of these look like that on the inside. This one's very nice for the age. Coming up to the front fender here, again, gaps with the hood and the fender, very nice the whole way down. Decals looking very good condition here. Up around to the front fascia, still very nice. As you can see, the front bumper cover, couple chips here and there, but still for the age, very nice. What we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood and let you see the engine here. Under here, we do have the numbers matching 305 high output engine that came with the vehicle. As you can see, it is all stock, not modified whatsoever. Stock intake is still here, stock air cleaner housing. It does have the air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, everything is there. It's very nice condition. The underhood fireproof cover is still there. Everything very nice shape here under the hood, not modified in any way. Just great condition Survivor car here, and what we're going to do now is lift it up so you can see the undercarriage and everything under there. Hey guys, we got our 86 Monte Carlo SS up in the air. As we usually do, we're going to show you the undercarriage here and all the parts underneath here, starting from the front. Suspension, control arms, all stock on this car. You got your stock A-arms. Everything's pretty much stock. This car is almost completely stock. Your greasable components, as we usually point out, your tie rod ends, ball joints and so-on boots look really good, look like they're taken care of here. All definitely greased, definitely maintained. Crossmember, very nice condition. We're going to come back here as we usually do. Our oil pan, rear seal, transmission pan, and output seal, all very dry, which is very good, no leaks there. Coming back here to our transmission crossmember, that very solid. I don't see any cracks, anything in that, no holes, rust holes or anything in there. Coming back here, you can see catalytic converter, cat back dual exhaust, not full, cat back only. Coming back, two mufflers over the axle and out the back at the sides. Our e-brake cables here, you can see all intact here. Coming back to the brakes, all operational, everything is mounted there correctly. Our floors on this car are in very nice shape. This car is just beautiful everywhere, and the floors on this, you can see all the stampings are original. We got all of our drain holes there. Our front frame section here, I don't see any holes there, any rust on there. All seems to be in very nice shape. Coming back towards the back, you see our drive shaft balanced. Our differential seals looking pretty good there. I don't see any leaks on those either. This does have a rear sway arm on it. Coils on the back. Coming back in under. The floors again above the rear differential. Looking very nice. Of course, our fuel tank here straps look very good on that. Mounting points for straps look very nice. Tires here, the 215, 6515, these are brand new tires the whole way around. And then of course the aluminum Monte Carlo SS rally wheels. Back here, back half our differential looking very nice. Overall, very, very nice car, very solid underneath here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop this down so you can hear the engine run.